the Redcat Cyclone. Let's check it out and see how long the battery lasts. It's the first time it's ever being charged. Hold on, let me turn that back off. You got to turn this on first and then let that warm up for a few seconds. That's what it says anyway. And then we'll turn that on. Okay, so that's working. Yay! Okay, so let's give it a little spin. Now this is all stock, so we'll see. Wow. This is the steering head. Whoa! The turning radius isn't that good when it's going fast. Okay, that went into the curb and the camera went flying, but that's okay because the camera went flying in the grass. There went the U-joints, right? It's starting to rain, by the way, so I don't know how long I'm going to be able to make it out here. It's sprinkling a little bit, so... got some decent range on it. Well, as soon as I said that, now it quit. Okay, it's coming back now. I don't know how far that range was, but it was a little bit past that yellow pole right there, or that street light. Well, there went the camera again. The camera went flying, but it's still recording. It's a run cam. It's tough, man. Run cams are... Now there went a phone, but that didn't break either, so we're going good here. You know, I'm trying to do 15 things at once. I'm not Shen RC now. You gotta remember, only Steve is Steve, okay? There is no other Steves. There's only one Steve. I just reversed the steering, by the way. I had the steering the other way and it was kind of confusing me a little bit. Yeah, I think it's better this way. Yeah, no doubt. So reversing the steering helped immensely. Tremendous amount of help there on the steering. The thing goes pretty quick. You know, guys, I'm just not an expert on these RC cars, you know. I'm a greenhorn. But this one runs good, man. This thing runs nice. I came pretty close to whacking the GoPro 7 Black right there. Oh, that was a calamity right there. That was a total. I didn't see it, man. I didn't see it. Oh well. Now, how could you wreck in a big space like this, right? That was a total right there. That was a Dale Earnhardt special right there. Head first right into the wall. I think that stopped the video even. Even busted the run cam. Scratched the lens. So, oh well, it's not the end of the world. I'll fix it up. I'm just trying to get the battery life going on this thing. This thing drives like a dream, man. Once you get the hang of steering it, it goes. Believe me, I'm barely hitting the throttle here, okay? Because when you get this thing going full blast, man, it gets kind of uncontrollable. I don't know if this would be one of those ones that you would use in the gravel or the, you know, sand type situations. I think it's starting to slow down, guys. Yeah, definitely, because I got a full throttle right now, so it's definitely losing some power, no doubt. Oh yeah, no doubt. All right, so the battery is starting to fade out there a little bit. We'll put a runtime in there. Now this is the first charge, plus, oh, there went the GoPro and the camera. The GoPro's indestructible, so I'm not even worried about that. But that'll be a good play on that, you know. Got a little scuff mark on it, but who cares, right? I got 3 GoPros, okay, so it doesn't matter. But that'll be a good beginning of the video. But anyway, so the battery is crapping out, so we'll just cut the video on the GoPro, and we'll set that over there, and we'll the video on the run cam took a dump, so it's all all the way around. It's been a wreck fest, but the thing ran good, man. It ran good. I got it full throttle again. Okay, it's petering out now. Big time. I think that old guy over there thought I was going to run him over. I'm not that mean, okay? I'm not that evil. Yep, that's about it right there. This is going to be the last lap. Yep, it's croaking. Alright guys, there you go. The Redcat Cyclone XB10. A real legend. And there it is. Actually, it performed really well, man. I'm really impressed with this thing. Thought it did really well. Alright guys, you have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.